Hi dear students, last class we solved 6 more problems. Now problem number 7. This is exercise 2.2 from the triangle. So 7th problem is using theorem 2.1. So theorem number 2.1 is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Here the question is, prove that a line drawn through midpoints of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. So here bisect the third side means here Q bisects AC, PQ bisects AC means we have to prove here AQ is equal to CQ, we have to prove this one. Now I have drawn the diagram. Here what is given, consider the given figure in which PQ is the line segment drawn through the midpoint of line AB. So here what is given, PQ is parallel to BC. So I will write the statement, consider PQ is a line segment drawn through the midpoint P of line AB such that PQ parallel to BC. So by using basic proportionality theorem, we can write AQ by QC is equal to AP by PB. So take this term is equal to 1. So therefore AQ by QC is equal to, we will take 1. 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. What is the reason? Because both are equal here, this term and this term are equal. Here P is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, AP is equal to PB. So, therefore, here by cross multiplication we will obtain, therefore, AQ is equal to QC. AQ is equal to QC, it is proved because Q is the midpoint of, hence, therefore, Q is the midpoint of AC. Now, problem number 8. Problem number 8. Using converse of BPT, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. See, I will draw the diagram. Now, here it is, name the figure A, B, C, P, Q. Now, here PQ is a line segment joining the midpoints of P and Q of line AB and AC respectively. So, here PQ is a line segment joining the midpoints P and Q of line AB and AC respectively. AB and AC respectively. So, that is here, therefore, AP is equal to PB and AQ is equal to QC. And also we know that AP by PB is equal to, we can write 1 by 1, and AQ by QC can be written as 1 by 1, because in both cases P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of AC. So, its their ratio becomes 1. Therefore, we can write AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. So, hence by using BPT we obtain what we obtain? We obtain by using BPT PQ is parallel to BC, hence proved. Now, problem number 9. Here ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. It is easy. Now, problem number 9. I will draw the diagram. Here trapezium is given. So, now diagonals also given. Here A, B, C, D is the trapezium. The diagonals intersect at point O. So, here join draw a line by construction. It is name it as EF. EF. Here draw a line EF, draw a line EF such that EF is parallel to CD. In a triangle ADC, consider the triangle ADC here. What you will get? EO is parallel to CD. EO is parallel to CD. According to BPT, we can write according to BPT. AE by ED. AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. Call this as equation number 1. Similarly, consider another triangle here, another triangle. In a triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, OE, it is E, OE is parallel to AB. By using BPT, according to BPT, what will get? According to basic proportionality theorem, we can write ED by AE is equal to OD by BO, OD by BO. So, take the reciprocal of this. By taking reciprocal, we can write AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. Call this as equation number 2. It is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation number 2, AE by ED and AE by ED get cancels. What remains here? AO by OC. AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. Now, by cross multiplication, we can write by cross multiplication. So, shift this OC this side and take this side, you will get AO by BO is equal to OC by OD, OC by OD, hence it is proved. Now, last problem of the exercise, problem number 10. Problem number 10. Here the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is trapezium. Here first I will draw the trapezium. We have to prove ABCD is a trapezium. So, now join this one. So, this is ABCD is a trapezium. Name this as A, B, C, D. Join the diagonals. And also join AC. The intersecting point as O. Here, draw a line OE parallel to AB. The construction, it is O, it is E. Now, draw OE parallel to AB in a triangle. In a triangle ABD, OE is parallel to AB. Using BPT, using basic proportionality theorem, we can write if they are parallel, then AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. BO by OD. Call this as equation number 1. It is equation number 1. And also given, what is given thing here? What is given? AO by OC is equal to AO by OC is equal to OB by OD. OB by OD. Call this as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, what we have obtained? From equation 1 and 2, we obtain AE by ED, AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. So, therefore, we obtained here EO is parallel to DC by converse of BPT region, converse of BPT and also here AB is parallel to OE, OE is parallel to DC, hence AB is parallel to CD, hence if AB is parallel to CD, then ABCD is a trapezium. So, this is the completion of exercise 2.2. Remaining part will discuss in next class. Thank you, dear students.